Ho ho ho, and welcome to another day of our advent calendar. So today we're going to take a look at Excel file parsing with the Apex Data Parser package. So what I created a small UI here as a demo, and what I can do here is just drag an XLSX file, and I just query the files that are in the Apex temp file upload table. So and I can click a file, and this is a sheet, an Excel file, and it consists of 3 Excel sheets. And okay, so how do I know this? What is the query behind this? And the first one is going to show here is the get XLSX worksheets function. And we're going to pass just the blob content of our temp files with the IDs we selected. And then we get this result of the display name, the internal name, sequence, etc. Okay. So next up, let's click on one sheet. And then we have first the discover function, and this returns a JSON. And it's basically looking into this sheet and telling us what's in there. So first we got file type, this is Excel, some encoding info, etc. Then columns array. We get a column name, first name, last name, city, some data types, even here a format mask for a date. But this looks very technical. We also have like a tabular view on the same info with get columns, and we can see that it's nicer formatted, and we see, yeah, okay, it's 4 columns. So how do we get there? So first the discover one. So this is just a pure SQL dynamic region. And here we're going to pass, we're going to call Apex Data Parser.discover, pass the blob, the file name, and the sheet name we want to discover. And we just get the info. And with the get columns, it's similar, but it's a query now, so a classic report. Again, we're going to pass content, file name, and sheet name. File name is necessary, so the it knows that it's an Excel sheet it's going to analyze. It can also analyze XML or JSON or CSV files. And yeah, so fairly easy. We just get the results back. And now to the last trick is the parse method. And this will actually allow us to see the contents of the Excel. So we just see, okay, first line, column 1, column 2, column 3. We see the values in here. How does that work? Fairly straightforward. Here again, a pipeline table function. It's called parse. Again, we're going to parse the content, the file name, and the sheet name. And then we get the results here. Notice it can go up to column 300. So there's a maximum of that. And yeah, so with this small demo here, I could go to another sheet. And then here we actually see that there's also a number column. And it says actually, so this is just Y. I guess it could also be N. So it's varchar 1 and not like 50 here or 255. So it's going to give you basically the dimensions of your columns. It's getting the column name basically from the first row. So as here are no headings, it's actually using the data of the first row as a header. But like in the first sheet here, it worked pretty nice because there was a heading row. That's it for today. I'm going to pass the code used here also in the description. Thank you for tuning in, and see you tomorrow for another tip.